I'm soaking wet from baby spit up. He just spit up on me like 5 times in a row. But today I'm very excited for another day in the camper. My original plan was to take out the rest of the carpet. I'm so out of breath. But I did something to my arm, I think. When I took out the carpet in this area, I did something to my arm. I think we're gonna work on getting all of these valances down that are in here. And then after I take all those down, I might start taking the cabinets down and stuff like that. And then I kind of just want to start measuring things up so I can order all the wallpaper that I'm going to be needing and all the flooring and all of that stuff. That way it gets here on time. We can just start jumping into all that because it's going to be so exciting to do. So let's get into all that. So the back room here has all of this carpet going up the steps, and basically like the whole room is all carpeted. I think I'm going to outsource help for this, which is something I never do. All of like our home renovations and camper renovations, like everything we do, I always do myself, or I get Connor to help, or my dad will help. But I think I might get someone to help with this. I have a family friend who does like little odd jobs, so I think I'm gonna have him do that, which is actually kind of exciting for me because I really do not want to have to deal with this carpet. I feel like taking it out on the steps is what's going to be the most tedious part. If I wasn't postpartum, I definitely would just do it myself, but I don't have that energy, so I think we'll leave that to somebody else. So I just opened up these windows. Like I took the blinds all the way up because when we bought the camper, everything was pretty much down, and I'm looking at this window and it's so big and so beautiful. I love how it looks. So I'm going to try to figure out how to take these valances off. I'm not really sure how to do that, if they're just like hooked on here or if they're screwed in somehow. So I'm gonna play around with this quick and figure it out. I see some screws, so let me try to get those out. All right, I need to get another attachment that's longer, so let me go find that. Hopefully this is long enough. Let's see. No, it's like just a little. Can I double these up, I wonder? Maybe this will work. This looks crazy. Let's see. Hey tighty, lefty loosey. It keeps bending. I just want to rip it out. Is that gonna put a hole in anything? Okay, let's see. I want to come off. I kind of feel like the blinds are attached to the valance almost, which would suck. It feels like I think, oh, that's annoying. I think the blinds are attached to these, so I don't think that it's gonna come out unless I unscrew the blinds, which it's annoying. I feel like campers just make everything so extra and difficult. Yeah. Wah, wah. Okay, that sucks. Let me just take it down. So I'm going to show you guys this in detail in case you have one of these campers and you're trying to figure it out. So basically underneath there's these two brackets, and so the valance is going to be hooked into it with 2 screws, but then on top of unscrewing those 2 screws, let's see if we can get under here. It's going to be really hard to get in here. When you pull this nightshade down, you can see there's another screw right here, and then there's another one down here too. So you also have to unscrew those, and then once you unscrew those, the shade, the shade will obviously just fall to the floor because there's nothing to hold on to, and then you can unscrew the rest of the valance. Okay, back in action. I just fed Cooper. So back to where we started. I feel like I've been in here for so long and I don't even have 2 of these down yet. So let's get back to this. I may keep these and reupholster them, or feels like it's some sort of a board, so maybe even rip this off and see what it looks like. I guess I could rip it off right now. Yeah, just like some sort of board, so I could paint these, I guess. I'm not crazy about the shape of them, but I might be able to repurpose them. These overalls are actually really helping because I have all of these pockets everywhere. I could stick all of the screws in. So Connor, if you're watching this and you make fun of my overalls, they're very handy. All right, we have, oh, okay, actually we're done. Because I just realized the ones in the bedrooms don't have valances. I think what we'll do now is start measuring out what we need for the flooring and the wallpaper. I know for the front of this camper, I really would just want to do, I'm a sucker for beadboard. They actually make wallpaper that is textured and looks just like beadboard without the weight of it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna measure everything out right now. I can link the wallpaper down below, but I will do like a whole video on wallpapering the camper. So I know for sure I want to do the front of the camper all beadboard, and then I'm probably going to, in the kitchen area, put some peel and stick tile like we did with Honey. And then as far as this back of the camper goes, I'm not really sure. I feel like it would be fun to do some sort of print back here. That way like the whole camper isn't just like one solid, you know, texture and color. The wallpaper I'm getting is paintable, so you can paint it any color, but I still think it would be fun to do either some sort of like floral print or just something back here instead of just doing the same thing. So I think I'll start with the front of the camper, measuring that out for the wallpaper. I'm not really sure again what I want to do back here. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe we will do the bathroom also with the beadboard wallpaper, because I think that would look really pretty and just like simple. So let's start measuring that, and also let's measure the floor as well, because we need to get the plank flooring for the whole camper. Since this slopes, I'm going to measure over here, which is the highest point. So this is 85 by 36. I'm going to measure this area. I don't have a tile in mind yet because I'm still not really sure of the colors that I'm going to go with. I think I want to paint the cabinets maybe a fun color. I'll probably just start with priming them white and see what everything looks like. But let's measure this, and I can start at least looking for the tile and see what the prices are like. And I don't think I would go all the way up with tile. I'd probably come to like right around here, I'd say. So probably 24. Last but not least, let's measure out the flooring. So I've never put flooring down before, so this is going to be very new for me. I'm a little nervous also to do it. I feel like it doesn't look like it would be that hard, but it's also one of those things I feel like it doesn't look like it's gonna be hard, and then it's gonna turn into like a whole thing. I think for the bathroom floor, maybe I'll get like a peel and stick tile for the floor. That way, I think it's just, I don't know, I think that'd be easier. Maybe we can find like a fun pattern. I'm also not really sure what to do here. Let me zoom this out so you can see better. So here's what the bedroom area looks like. Should I just make all of this carpet like the flooring, or do I put something else down? Or do I put like a different type of flooring down? I can't really picture it. I haven't really looked at too many fifth wheels, so I haven't really seen anything with this layout, so I'm gonna have to maybe just see what other people do. Little sections in here are like so small, so I'd have to keep making like tons of cuts to get it in here, which I guess is fine, but I'm just not sure if there's like an easier or better type of flooring to put down in this bedroom area. I don't know. I just feel like I've never seen it where it's like up like this. I feel like they usually have a step up, but then everything else is flat. I'm not sure. That's it for today's video. I feel like even though it was just such a small change with taking down the valances, it looks so much better already, and I could start to see a little bit of a better vision coming. Let me know what you guys think about the flooring and wallpaper that I showed you guys that I think I'm gonna go with. I will link that stuff below in case you guys are interested in it. Hopefully the next video you guys see, this will all be out, all of this carpet, and it will look a lot better. Now that I'm saying that out loud, I'm almost like, I wonder if it's just, it's probably, what's it called? Why can't I think of what it's called? That wood that's underneath it that like is all patchy looking. I don't know why I can't think. Because I was gonna say I probably could just like paint the floor in there underneath. But if it's that patchy kind of wood, I think it would probably look a little silly, but I might be able to like sand it down or do something. I don't know. We'll have to just see, I guess, what's underneath there. But hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any tips or ideas or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. That way you guys can see this whole camper renovation from start to finish. And if you guys find anything on Pinterest, send it to me, either through Instagram or Pinterest itself. But I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye.